It was a sunny morning. Pip sat on the rug, ready for an adventure. She had one purple shoe on, but her other foot only had a white sock. Pip looked at her bare foot. "Where did my other shoe go?" she asked. Phil the puppy tilted his head. Milo the cat watched calmly from the armchair. Pip showed them her one purple shoe. "Phil, Milo, we need to find my missing shoe." Phil sniffed the sneaker. He gave a happy bark, ready to help. "Let's check under things first," Pip said. She knelt on the floor and peeked under the yellow armchair. No shoe here, only a tiny dust bunny. Next, Pip walked to the toy bin. She dug through her wooden blocks. "Is it in here?" she wondered. But there was only her red toy truck. Phil gave a little whine and trotted to the doorway. He put his nose to the floor and sniffed. Pip followed him, her one shoe going tap, tap, tap. In the kitchen, Pip looked behind the pantry door. She peeked inside, but she only saw the tall wooden broom, standing quiet and straight. Phil crawled under the kitchen table, sniffing the legs. Pip crawled under with him, laughing as Phil's tail wagged. No shoe here, just morning sun. Milo stretched and walked past, tail pointing up. He padded towards the hallway coat rack. Pip and Phil followed their clever cat friend. At the coat rack, Pip searched under the coats. She saw Mom's boots and Dad's shoes lined up, but her purple sneaker was not there. Pip sat on the bottom step of the stairs and sighed. "Looking is hard work," she said softly. "I feel a little sad." Phil rested his chin on Pip's knee. Milo rubbed against her ankles, purring. Pip smiled. Being close to her friends comforted her. Mom walked out of the kitchen. She knelt beside Pip. "When something is lost, it helps to think like a puppy," Mom said gently. Pip looked at Phil. Where does Phil go when he has a toy he wants to keep safe? Suddenly, Pip knew. The laundry room. They walked to the laundry room. It smelled like clean soap. A tall wicker basket sat near the machine, full of towels. Pip stood on her tiptoes and peered inside the laundry basket. Tucked right between two soft towels was a patch of purple. "I found it!" Pip cried. Phil wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. Pip pulled the purple shoe out. Phil had made a cozy nest in the basket earlier. Pip sat on the floor and slipped her shoe on. She stood up and stamped both feet. "All ready," she cheered. Milo watched calmly. With both purple shoes on, Pip, Phil, and Milo headed outside. Pip smiled back. Have you ever found something in a funny place? For more fun learning videos, visit our channel, World of Small Pebbles.